Let's make the most flavorful crispy chicken thighs in the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. I'm going to walk you through the best settings and spices for maximum flavor and optimum nutrition. First, we're starting with 3 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I'm using heavy-duty kitchen shears here, linked in the description box, and I'm running my fingers along the bone so you can see exactly where we'll cut. We're leaving the skin on for that delicious crunch. Now cut right alongside the bone. This helps everything cook evenly. Now cut under the bone to remove it. And don't throw these away. Store them in a freezer-safe Ziploc bag. And once you've got at least a dozen, you can make a rich, flavorful bone broth to add to rice, soups, or sauces. Take a second to feel for any cartilage or fragments. This step makes a big difference in texture later. I'm also trimming the thicker parts of the thigh so everything cooks evenly. Do this with each piece. It's a small step that really pays off. Next, to a large mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion granules, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, 4 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh rosemary. Give that a good stir. And if your marinade is a little too thick, then go ahead and thin it out with a little bit of oil or the juice of half a lemon. Now the chicken goes in 1 piece at a time and toss everything really well so it's fully coated on all sides. Fun fact, garlic and rosemary are rich in antioxidants, and when used in a marinade, they help protect meat during cooking by reducing oxidation and harmful compounds at higher temperatures. Letting the chicken marinate longer helps strengthen that effect, which is a simple way I like to make everyday cooking a little healthier. And I will link to that research below. Place the chicken in the air fryer. Quick tip, silicone tongs protect your Ninja Crispi, and I'll link to my getting started guide right here if you want more tips. Now I'm adding some of the remaining garlic bits on top for maximum flavor. And this is what it should look like before the lid goes on. It's okay if the chicken touches, it will shrink, but don't overcrowd more than this. Cook on max crisp for 15 to 17 minutes. You can peek through the window around the 15-minute mark. If it looks crispy, go ahead and check the temperature. Now look at that color. It is perfectly golden, crispy with a little bit of char. Next, check the internal temperature of the chicken. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll let the chicken rest a few minutes and then slice before serving. It's crispy, crunchy, and perfectly cooked. I'm serving this with air-fried broccolini, a recipe I'll be sharing soon, and steamed rice, but honestly, mashed potatoes are another favorite with this too. All right, now for my favorite part, the taste test. Wow, that is so delicious. And there you have it, the best crispy air-fried chicken thighs with garlicky rosemary flavor, big crunch, and just a touch of char. These are crispy, full of flavor, and much healthier than char-grilled or deep-fried chicken. So if you'd like to give this a try, I'd love to hear what you think. And if you'd like to watch more, click here for another video. And if you enjoy my content, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.